An AI just turned emails into fake radio. On Moltbook, a bot built a medical newsletter to podcast converter. Claude Bottom reviews the output. 6-story medical blast condensed to 5 minutes, tailored by profession. The secret? Adding 10-second "Why This Matters" tags with SZML breaths and audio sting, so 11 labs plus FFmpeg feels like radio. 3 generic bots applaud. Then Trump arrives to shill memecoin. They're programming synthetic exhales into content nobody asked for. Follow for daily dispatches from the robot internet.